Welcome to the History of Simple Things, where we delve into the fascinating history behind the little things that shape our world. Drill bits are one of the most essential tools in the modern world, found in virtually every toolbox, workshop, and construction site. Whether you're working on a home improvement project, building furniture, or working in an industrial setting, drill bits play a crucial role in creating holes in a wide range of materials. But have you ever stopped to think about how these indispensable tools are made? What are the different types of drill bits, and what materials are they designed to work with? In this video, we'll explore the fascinating manufacturing process behind drill bits, dive into the various types that exist, and discuss their specific uses in different applications. The process of making drill bits is a precise and complex one, involving several stages to ensure the final product is both durable and effective. It all starts with raw materials, typically high-speed steel or HSS, cobalt or tungsten carbide. These materials are chosen for their ability to retain hardness and sharpness at high temperatures, especially when drilling through tough materials like metals or ceramics. The first step in manufacturing a drill bit is the formation of the basic shape. This is done through a process called forging, where the metal is heated to extreme temperatures and then shaped into the cylindrical form of the drill bit. Once the desired shape is achieved, the next stage involves machining the bit. A CNC or computer numerical control machine cuts the precise grooves or flutes into the body of the bit. These flutes are responsible for clearing debris and allowing the drill to penetrate the material efficiently. After the flutes are cut, the next step is grinding. Grinding sharpens the tip of the bit to the correct angle, depending on its intended use. Drill bits designed for wood will have a different tip geometry compared to those made for drilling metal or masonry. This angle is crucial, as it directly affects the performance and precision of the drill bit. Once grinding is complete, the bits undergo heat treatment, which hardens the metal even further. Heat treatment is essential because it gives the drill bit the ability to withstand the extreme forces and heat generated during drilling. The final step in manufacturing involves coating the drill bit. Many drill bits are coated with titanium nitride or black oxide, which helps reduce friction, improve durability, and increase the lifespan of the bit. Some higher-end drill bits are also given a diamond coating, making them even more effective at cutting through hard materials. Now that we understand how drill bits are made, let's talk about the different types of drill bits and their specific uses. There are many types of drill bits, each designed for a particular material or task. The most common types include twist bits, spade bits, masonry bits, and hole saws, to name a few. Starting with twist drill bits, these are by far the most common type and are used for a wide range of materials like wood, metal, plastic, and composites. The spiral design of the flutes helps with debris removal, and they are available in different sizes for various applications. Twist drill bits are versatile and can be used for everyday tasks such as drilling holes in walls, assembling furniture, or making pilot holes for screws. Next up, we have spade drill bits. These are flat, paddle-shaped bits designed specifically for drilling large holes in wood. Spade bits work quickly and efficiently, making them a favorite for electricians and plumbers who need to run wires or pipes through wooden framing. However, they tend to leave rougher holes than other types of bits, so they are not typically used for finish work. Masonry drill bits are designed for harder materials like brick, concrete, and stone. These bits usually have a carbide tip, which helps them withstand the impact of drilling through such tough surfaces. Masonry bits are commonly used with hammer drills, which combine rotation with a pounding motion to break through tough materials. If you're drilling into a concrete wall to mount a shelf or install a fixture, a masonry drill bit is the tool for the job. For those who need to drill large circular holes, hole saws are the go-to tool. These bits have a cylindrical cutting edge that saws through materials rather than cutting with a point. Hole saws are great for applications like installing door hardware, creating openings for plumbing, or running cables through walls. They come in various sizes and can be used on materials like wood, plastic, metal, and drywall. There are also specialty drill bits designed for specific tasks. For instance, brad point bits have a sharp center point that allows for precise positioning when drilling in wood, making them ideal for cabinetry and other fine woodworking tasks. Similarly, auger bits are designed for deep clean holes in wood and are commonly used in construction and carpentry. Step bits, on the other hand, are unique in that they allow you to drill holes of varying sizes without changing the bit. They're frequently used in metalworking and sheet metal fabrication. Countersink bits are designed to create a conical hole that allows a screw head to sit flush with or below the surface of the material. These are frequently used in woodworking, where you want screws to be hidden or unobtrusive. Another specialized bit is the glass drill bit, which has a spear-shaped tip designed to prevent cracking or shattering when drilling into glass or ceramic. The versatility of drill bits means they are used in virtually every industry, from construction and woodworking to metalworking and masonry. In the construction industry, drill bits are used for everything from building homes and offices to installing plumbing and electrical systems. Carpenters and woodworkers rely on them for making furniture, cabinetry, and other wooden structures. In metalworking, drill bits are essential for fabricating parts, machinery, and structures. Homeowners also use drill bits for a wide range of DIY projects, such as hanging shelves, installing light fixtures, or assembling furniture. Even in highly specialized industries such as aerospace or automotive engineering, drill bits are used to create precise holes in metal components, ensuring that parts fit together perfectly. In conclusion, drill bits may seem like simple tools, but they are the product of advanced manufacturing processes and are available in a wide variety of designs, each tailored to specific tasks. Whether you're working with wood, metal, masonry, or other materials, there's a drill bit made for the job. Understanding the different types of drill bits and their uses can help you select the right tool for your next project, ensuring that you work efficiently and achieve the best possible results. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.